In this video, I'm going to walk through how to personalize emails using the Mail Merge feature in Word. I'm using Word and Excel in Office 365 Excel on a computer running Windows. Get your gradebook file ready in Excel. If your name column contains first and last names, there is an easy way to extract the first name. Type the first name in column B. Start to type the second name in the next row. As you type, you will see the rest of the first names appear. Press Enter to accept the rest of the names, then save your Excel file. Now go into Word and compose your email. Here I left space for the first name and the exam score from the Excel gradebook file. Now select Mailings from the ribbon. Then select Start Mail Merge. Select Email Messages. Next, select Use an Existing List. Navigate to the location of the Excel gradebook file. Specify which worksheet your data is in. Now position your cursor where you want the student's first name to be. Select Insert Merge field in the ribbon and then the first name field. Now you can see the name field in the Word document. Repeat the same steps to insert the exam grade field into the Word doc. Now both field names are in the Word document. Preview your results. You can scroll through the emails to be sent by clicking on the forward and back arrows to the right of the Preview Results button. When you are satisfied with your email, click on Finish and Merge. Next, select Send Email Messages. Fill in the subject line for your email and click OK. That's it. You have sent personalized emails to the students listed in the gradebook. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. For other tutorials and resources for teaching accounting, see my blog at accountingintheheadlines.com.